I've had a fun idea. You guys remember Justin Timberlake's Suit and Tie, right? It just felt so expensive, so posh, like I couldn't afford it. I figured, why don't we make something like that? Some jazz, soul, hip hop, R&B, stuff that just sounds expensive, man, like champagne, like Great Gatsby type-ish. As always, if you guys want to pick up the sounds that I use in this, check out the Sound Vault. There you're going to find links to all of the stuff on the left side of my screen, all of the packs that I like, all the kits that I'm loving in 2025, and constantly updated, so 2026 version will be coming soon. Let's get into it. Thank you to Master Channel AI for sponsoring this video. So I think the key here is actually going to be here something in the 90 degrees here, like slower. The first thing I'm going to build is I'm going to try and build a quick like soul sample. That's my plan. We'll go, yeah, soft piano's perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that feels romantic already. Then let's load up Contact and pull up a string sample. Today we've got a lemon and no, this is peach and orange. You know orchestras are expensive as heck. Like, you can't afford them. Easy. Build over this string sample kind of one at a time, coming up with new lines instead of trying to come up with block chords. I just find you end up with nicer stuff that way. Yeah, that's romantic as shit. Duplicate that. I'll be using this trill technique for almost every track. It's so cool. Oh, I gotta find out what key I'm in. I feel like I'm in F major. If that second chord that I played was a 1, we'll go F major. I did have an order in mind for how I was gonna do this, and it's just fallen out of my head. So now I'm just gonna drag whatever I want. And we go do 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 do. So we need to, what I think we can do is I can just take this and move it along, right? And then lower this in pitch. Perfect. And we'll go beats and we'll make it a little bit shorter. It's nice. It's a little bit too on grid. So let's just kind of a little bit. Perfect. It's lovely. I'm just going to EQ it. Yeah, that's perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Bass, for sure. This one right here. Yeah, something like that. Something with the octaves. 3, 4. Yeah, get these a little bit more on grid. If you are looking to improve your R&B skills and you want to take your music production to the next level so you don't have to guess anymore about how to make great music, and instead you can just create songs like your favorite artists, check out the R&B Academy. That is where I am individually helping people to grow their music ability and their music careers. Check it out. That's the first link in the description. Nice. Almost sounds there. I'm going to try stretching these like so. There it is. That's fire. It's not down an octave, is it? Just checking. Oh, this definitely sounds like I can't afford this. But you know what really makes Ish sound expensive? Chimes. Oh, that sounds pretty. Just have that in as a background layer, a super quiet layer. Thank you, Maxwell. That's the one. It's going to be purposely too much. That is so much. That is so much chiming. There's a word for it, like a, what is it? Glissando, harp glissando. That one of those ones. Perfect. We learned something today. This is called a glissando. And it won't work here because this chord is a major chord. And so we need a major. Keep it going. Yeah, do your thing. Do your thing, harpist. Oh my days. I can't afford this. I can't afford this. Bap, bap, bap. Oh, I wonder if that's where we can put the stabs, where we can put the brass stabs. I kind of forgot about them, but they really add something to this kind of genre. Bap, 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 bap. I think it's right, but it needs some work. Because I don't think everything cuts out there. Maybe nothing cuts out there. Yeah, lovely. And then we just add a little bit of vintage to give it a little bit of oomph, I guess is the word. And I'm going to put it here too, because why not? Where does it go? Where does it go? That feels like a sample to me. Cassette maybe? Cassette's good. I'm gonna go RC20 because I don't actually want to lose that much of the original fidelity. Oh yeah, give me that warm vinyl. If it's expensive, then you can afford to not have the flutter. Oh, that's the one, guys. That is the one. We're gonna create a new track. It's gonna come. What it's going to receive in is going to be the output of track 11. And then when I click record, 3, 4. Isn't that a juicy sounding sample? And we just get some really nice chops going on it, you know, slice by beat, usually half. I think I want it to be a full bar, like, okay, we got some cool ass chops here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I think it was like 95. 2, 3, 4. Why did it cut there? Quantize, legato. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Doesn't sound right, but it's cool. So we've got our samples built in. Now we just hit with the crazy ass drums. Oh, yeah. We're too rich to have the snare come every time. Hey, hey, That's crazy. So we 1, 2, 3, 4. I was a little bit shaky at the start, so we're just gonna copy. It's a little faster. Just had to touch it. It's so yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Do we have anything else that gets added into the? Oh, there it is. There it is. It's so weird, but I just want this one beat to just be off by 1. Like that. Is that weird? Is it weird to have that much of a preference? Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. Let's group that together, call it track or something. Halftime on the whole ting, on the whole doggone thing. Hold on. This whole thing is crazy. Oh, and here, cut it so it's just a sample. Hey, let me tell you about something she ain't never been. You ain't never heard of that. Oh yeah. Okay, cool. So this is super fire. I want to tell you guys a little bit about a master channel, especially if you're getting your beats to this sort of level and you want to be able to master them to get into a competitive level, especially if you've got vocals on as well. You can use Master Channel, an AI mastering engine, to create mixes that are on the level of like Grammy award winners use this. Let me show you. So I'm actually going to export what I have here. Perfect. I'm going to boot up Master Channel AI, drop in what we've literally just made, drag in my demo. So it's just finished processing the demo that we created together. I'm going to play the before first, just so you can remember what we kind of finished up with. Okay, so that's what we had before. Now let's check out the after. Oh, yeah. That's absolutely crazy. Oftentimes, mastering can feel like a little bit more of an art than a science. It can be very difficult to kind of quantify. So if you've been struggling to master your songs, master your tracks, or even master your beats so that they sound really polished when you're putting them up onto BeatStars or releasing them onto Spotify, this is the answer. If you use Mastering Channel AI, you're going to get one of the best masters in my opinion. And the best thing is it's going to allow you to get that quality that takes you past just having a generic beat. And then you can actually decide if you want to put this on like platforms yourself. It literally sounds that crisp. It's brightened up the high end. It's not too shiny like some of the other masters I've heard. It hasn't pushed it too far to the edge as well and started to squash things like some of the other AI mastering things that I've kind of heard previously. This one's really delivering. There you go. It took me a couple minutes to use, and just like that, you've got like a very expensive sounding master. So check that out. I'll leave a link in the description to check out Master Channel AI. If you use my link, you'll be able to cop a discount off of the usage, but you can also try it out for free. Just chuck in one of your own singles, one of your own tracks, hear how it sounds, hear how it like works with your music, and then when you love the sound, you can go and pick it up from there. So check it out. I love you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.